So guys, this is how you put your necktie. Hawakan mo. First step, tanggalin. Here up. Second, you put it in your neck. This is the neck cup. Dapat mas malaki ang malaki kaysa sa maliit. Here in the logo, you see, here in the logo. And then, ikot mo siya. Ayan, okay. And then, ipasok mo siya, pasok. Ayan, napasok na. Ikot mo ulit siya, tapos pasok. Pasok natin na. Nakuha ko na. Pasok mo dito sa pinakalas. Nagipan mo. Pag nakuha mo na, this is the final step. Ayusin mo lang kung pangit tingnan. Here na. Here is the final step na. Sheesh. Okay, that's how you put your necktie. Okay.